How can humans become a very sustainable, united, and regenerative alien race in the universe? This question touches on an expansive and visionary idea for humanity's future, imagining how we might evolve into a highly advanced, sustainable, and united species capable of thriving within a cosmic context. Achieving such a transformation would require action on multiple levels. 1. Adopting a universal perspective. Expand our collective identity. Move beyond national, cultural, and species-centric views to consider ourselves as a unified planetary civilization. Recognize our shared responsibility as stewards of Earth and potential contributors to the greater universe. Cultivate cosmic humility. Understand that we are part of a vast, interconnected cosmos and embrace our role in contributing positively to the broader galactic ecosystem. 2. Building unity and collaboration. Global governance. Establish inclusive and equitable systems for decision-making that prioritize collective well-being over individual or national interests. Foster inclusivity and diversity. Embrace diverse perspectives, knowledge systems, and cultural values to create a robust and adaptable global society. Conflict resolution. Develop nonviolent mechanisms for resolving disputes and preventing war, emphasizing dialogue and cooperation. 3. Living regeneratively. Shift to regenerative practices. Move from extractive, linear economies to circular, regenerative systems that replenish natural resources and ecosystems. Harness clean energy. Fully transition to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and fusion to eliminate reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate climate change. Restore ecosystems. Actively repair damaged ecosystems, protect biodiversity, and create symbiotic relationships with Earth's natural systems. 4. Advancing technology ethically. Develop sustainable technologies. Prioritize technologies that minimize ecological impact, enhance efficiency, and integrate seamlessly with natural systems. Biotechnology and space science. Use breakthroughs in genetic engineering, nanotechnology, and space exploration to solve global challenges such as food scarcity and habitat creation. Artificial intelligence. Design AI systems that augment human capabilities, enhance fairness, and align with long-term ethical and sustainability goals. 5. Educating and evolving consciousness. Promote ecological literacy. Teach everyone, from children to adults, about the interconnectedness of life and the importance of sustainability. Foster a regenerative mindset. Encourage a cultural shift toward valuing cooperation, innovation, and stewardship. Explore inner worlds. Use practices like mindfulness, meditation, and art to deepen self-awareness and connection to others in the cosmos. 6. Becoming an interplanetary species. Establish self-sufficient colonies. Explore and develop sustainable settlements on the Moon, Mars, and beyond that minimize environmental harm and foster collaborative approaches to resource use. Share knowledge. If we ever encounter extraterrestrial civilizations, prioritize peaceful exchanges of knowledge and culture over competition or domination. Protect the cosmos. Adopt principles of planetary protection, ensuring that human expansion does not harm extraterrestrial ecosystems. 7. Rethinking value systems. Redefine success. Shift societal priorities from material accumulation to metrics like happiness, well-being, and ecological health. Universal ethics. Create a shared ethical framework that guides our actions across cultures and in the cosmos. 8. Cultivating resilience. Prepare for challenges. Develop systems that are robust and adaptable in the face of global crises, such as climate change, pandemics, or resource shortages. Embrace long-term thinking. Make decisions with an eye on their impact thousands or even millions of years into the future. 9. Inspiring through art and storytelling. Craft a shared vision. Use storytelling, art, and media to inspire a collective dream of humanity's potential as a regenerative and united force in the universe. Celebrate our place in the cosmos. Foster awe and wonder through art that highlights our interconnectedness with the universe. By addressing these areas holistically, humanity could evolve into a truly sustainable and united species, ready to contribute positively to the universe as a regenerative force. It's a journey that requires vision, collaboration, and determination, but one that could unlock unparalleled potential for future generations. To envision humanity as a sustainable, united, and regenerative presence in the universe, we must adopt a comprehensive and multifaceted approach that addresses social, technological, environmental, and ethical dimensions. Below is an in-depth explanation of how this could be achieved. 1. Adopting a universal perspective. Humanity must expand its collective identity beyond the boundaries of nations, cultures, or individual differences. By recognizing ourselves as a single planetary species, we can foster a shared sense of responsibility for Earth and our role within the cosmos. This requires cultivating a sense of cosmic humility, understanding that humanity is just one small part of a vast and interconnected universe. By embracing this perspective, we can align our goals with the long-term well-being of the planet and the broader cosmic environment. 2. Building unity and collaboration. For humanity to operate as a cohesive and united species, global governance systems must prioritize inclusivity and fairness, ensuring that the needs of all individuals and communities are considered. Collaborative efforts across cultures, nations, and disciplines can foster unity. Embracing diversity as a strength and resolving conflicts through dialogue and mutual understanding can prevent war and other destructive behaviors. By focusing on what unites us, humanity can transcend divisions and work toward a common future. 3. Living regeneratively. A sustainable and regenerative civilization would require a profound transformation of how we interact with Earth's ecosystems. This involves shifting from extractive and linear economic systems to circular and regenerative models that replenish natural resources and ecosystems. Renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and fusion, must replace fossil fuels to mitigate climate change and reduce environmental degradation. Efforts to restore and protect ecosystems while fostering a symbiotic relationship with nature would ensure that humanity's actions are not just sustainable, but regenerative. 4. Advancing technology ethically. Technological innovation must align with ethical and sustainability principles. Developing sustainable technologies that minimize environmental impact while maximizing efficiency is essential. Advances in biotechnology and space exploration can address global challenges, such as food insecurity and habitat loss. Artificial intelligence should be designed to augment human capabilities, promote fairness, and adhere to ethical guidelines. By prioritizing technologies that support humanity's long-term survival and well-being, we can harness innovation for positive outcomes. 5. Educating and evolving consciousness. Education plays a crucial role in shaping a regenerative civilization. Ecological literacy should be a foundational aspect of learning, helping individuals understand the interconnectedness of life and the importance of sustainability. Cultivating a regenerative mindset, which values cooperation, innovation, and stewardship, can drive cultural change. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, and art can deepen self-awareness and foster a sense of connection to others and the universe, enhancing collective consciousness. 6. Becoming an interplanetary species. Expanding beyond Earth offers humanity an opportunity to thrive in new environments while reducing the pressure on our home planet. Developing self-sufficient colonies on the Moon, Mars, and other celestial bodies can provide new resources and habitats. However, this expansion must prioritize sustainability and planetary protection to avoid harming extraterrestrial ecosystems. If humanity encounters extraterrestrial civilizations, peaceful exchanges of knowledge and culture should take precedence over competition or domination, fostering mutual respect and understanding. 7. Rethinking value systems. Humanity must redefine its value systems to prioritize well-being, happiness, and ecological health over material accumulation. Success should no longer be measured by GDP or wealth alone, but by metrics that reflect the overall quality of life and environmental sustainability. Establishing a universal ethical framework can guide our actions and decisions, ensuring they align with long-term goals for planetary and cosmic harmony. 8. Cultivating resilience. Resilience is essential for navigating global challenges such as climate change, pandemics, and resource shortages. Humanity must build systems that are adaptable and robust, capable of withstanding and responding to crises. Long-term thinking should guide decision-making, ensuring that actions today support the well-being of future generations thousands or even millions of years into the future. 9. Inspiring through art and storytelling. Art and storytelling play a vital role in shaping collective imagination and inspiring action. By crafting a shared vision of humanity's potential as a sustainable and united force, we can create a sense of purpose and direction. Celebrating humanity's place in the cosmos through awe-inspiring narratives and creative works can deepen our connection to the universe and motivate efforts toward regenerative practices. The path forward. Transforming humanity into a sustainable, united, and regenerative species requires a global effort across all domains of life. It calls for visionary leadership, cross-disciplinary collaboration, and commitment to ethical principles. By aligning our actions with the interconnected realities of life on Earth and in the cosmos, humanity can create a thriving civilization that contributes positively to the universe. This ambitious journey would unlock unparalleled potential, ensuring a harmonious and enduring legacy for future generations. What natural, sustainable, and regenerative systems can help or can be developed to achieve this? To achieve a sustainable, regenerative, and united future for humanity, we must develop and integrate natural systems that align with Earth's ecological principles. These systems would not only address immediate environmental and societal challenges, but also provide a foundation for long-term planetary and cosmic sustainability. Below is a comprehensive explanation of the natural, sustainable, and regenerative systems that can help us reach this vision. 1. Circular and regenerative agricultural systems. Agriculture must shift from extractive practices to regenerative ones that restore ecosystems and enhance biodiversity. Permaculture. This design system mimics natural ecosystems by integrating diverse crops, animals, and water management techniques. It focuses on soil health, water retention, and nutrient cycling, ensuring long-term sustainability. Agroforestry. By incorporating trees and shrubs into farming landscapes, agroforestry enhances biodiversity, improves soil quality, and provides shade, reducing the need for synthetic inputs. Regenerative agriculture. Techniques like no-till farming, crop rotation, cover cropping, and composting restore soil health, sequester carbon, and reduce dependency on chemical fertilizers and pesticides. 2. Water management and restoration systems. Water is a critical resource, and sustainable systems must ensure its availability while restoring aquatic ecosystems. Watershed management. Preserving and restoring natural hydrological systems through reforestation, wetland conservation, and erosion control ensures clean and abundant water supplies. Rainwater harvesting. Collecting and storing rainwater for agricultural and domestic use reduces dependence on overexploited freshwater sources. Bioremediation. Using plants, fungi, and microorganisms to clean polluted water systems can rehabilitate ecosystems and restore biodiversity. Renewable power desalination. Developing desalination methods powered by solar or wind energy can provide fresh water to arid regions without harming the environment. 3. Ecosystem restoration initiatives. Restoring ecosystems is essential for reversing the damage caused by human activities. Rewilding. Reintroducing native species and allowing natural processes to reshape landscapes can restore ecological balance and enhance biodiversity. Carbon farming and afforestation. Planting trees and restoring degraded land sequesters carbon, combats desertification, and creates habitat for wildlife. Marine ecosystem restoration. Protecting coral reefs, mangroves, and seagrass meadows while reducing pollutants and overfishing helps marine biodiversity recover and thrive. 4. Renewable and sustainable energy systems. Transitioning to clean energy sources is crucial for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and achieving sustainability. Renewable energy networks. Expanding solar, wind, geothermal, and hydroelectric power systems eliminates the need for fossil fuels. Energy storage systems. Developing efficient battery technology and smart grids ensures a reliable and sustainable energy supply. Bioenergy with carbon capture and storage, BECCS. This technology combines biomass energy production with carbon capture to actively reduce atmospheric carbon. 5. Circular economies. Circular economies aim to eliminate waste and ensure that resources are continuously reused. Waste-to-resource systems. Transforming waste materials into resources, such as converting food waste into compost or recycling plastics into construction materials, reduces pollution and resource depletion. Biomimetic design. Developing products inspired by nature, such as self-healing materials or zero-waste manufacturing, aligns with ecological principles. Urban symbiosis. Designing cities as interconnected systems where waste from one sector becomes resources for another, such as using waste heat from industries to warm homes. 6. Biodiversity enhancement. Protecting and enhancing biodiversity ensures the resilience of ecosystems and their ability to support life. Wildlife corridors. Creating pathways that allow animals to migrate and breed without human interference maintains genetic diversity and ecosystem health. Pollinator support systems. Protecting pollinators like bees and butterflies through pesticide-free zones and diverse plantings ensures the stability of food systems. Seed banks and genetic preservation. Storing and preserving the genetic material of plants and animals safeguards biodiversity for future generations. 7. Low-impact urban development. Urban areas can be transformed to reduce their ecological footprint and integrate with nature. Green architecture. Designing buildings with renewable materials, rooftop gardens, and energy-efficient systems reduces resource use and enhances urban sustainability. Urban agriculture. Vertical farming, rooftop gardens, and community farming within cities can reduce food transportation needs and increase local food security. Smart cities. Leveraging technology to optimize energy use, reduce waste, and improve infrastructure efficiency creates sustainable urban environments. 8. Biotechnological innovations. Innovative technologies can help humanity create systems that are both sustainable and regenerative. Precision fermentation and cellular agriculture. Producing food and materials in controlled environments reduces resource use and minimizes environmental impact. Genetic engineering for sustainability. Developing crops that require less water, are pest-resistant, or thrive in extreme climates enhances food security while minimizing environmental harm. Biomaterials. Sustainable materials like algae, bioplastics, mycelium-based packaging, and lab-grown leather can replace resource-intensive products. 9. Integrated ecological and technological systems. Combining natural systems with advanced technologies creates harmonious, efficient solutions. Biointegrated infrastructure. Integrating living systems like algae bioreactors with buildings to produce oxygen, capture carbon, and generate energy aligns technology with ecological processes. Artificial wetlands. Constructing ecosystems that mimic natural wetlands filters wastewater and provide habitats for wildlife. Ocean thermal energy conversion. OTEC, harnessing ocean temperature differences for sustainable energy production while protecting marine ecosystems contributes to global energy needs. 10. Nature-based education and community practices. Education and community involvement are critical for fostering sustainable habits and mindsets. Eco-villages and regenerative communities. Small, self-sufficient communities that prioritize renewable energy, waste reduction, and resource sharing demonstrate sustainable living in action. Environmental education. Teaching ecological literacy and the principles of regenerative practices fosters a culture of stewardship and sustainability. Citizen science and stewardship. Engaging individuals in monitoring and restoring natural systems builds a deeper connection with the environment and empowers collective action. 11. Cosmic sustainability. If humanity becomes an interplanetary species, sustainability must extend beyond Earth. Planetary protection. Ensuring that human activities on other planets do not harm extraterrestrial ecosystems is essential for ethical expansion. Asteroid mining with minimal impact. Extracting resources from space with sustainable methods can reduce pressure on Earth's ecosystems. Interstellar biospheres. Designing self-sustaining systems for space exploration that replicate Earth's regenerative processes ensures humanity's survival beyond our planet. By embracing these natural, sustainable, and regenerative systems, humanity can transition from an extractive, exploitative civilization to one that thrives in harmony with nature. These systems provide the tools and principles necessary for building resilience, ensuring ecological health, and creating a thriving and united planetary and cosmic future.